Imagine waking up to find AI has taken over jobs, decision-making, and even human creativity. This isn't science fiction, it's happening now. Stay with me as we dive into the scariest AI predictions that are no longer just theories, but reality. Experts said AI would take over manual jobs in 20 or 30 years, but it's happening now, much faster than anyone anticipated. The rise of automation is not a distant future scenario, it's our current reality. From customer service chatbots to AI-powered robots in factories, the landscape of work is changing rapidly. Millions of jobs are disappearing, leaving countless workers without a livelihood. And it's not just blue-collar jobs. White-collar professions are also at risk. AI is coming for white-collar jobs too. Lawyers, doctors, financial analysts. No profession is safe from the reach of automation. AI can write legal documents, analyze financial trends, and diagnose medical conditions with incredible accuracy. McDonald's is testing fully automated stores, eliminating the need for human staff. Amazon uses AI-driven robots to replace warehouse workers, increasing efficiency but reducing jobs. Every major company is trying to automate everything from production lines to customer service. If this keeps up, entire industries will collapse, leading to widespread economic downturn. We're talking mass unemployment and economic instability on a scale we've never seen before. And the craziest part is, nobody's really talking about it. It's like a silent storm brewing. It's like everyone's got their heads in the sand, pretending it's not happening, ignoring the signs. But it is, the clock is ticking, it's happening right now. And we need to start paying attention before it's too late. Elon Musk and Stephen Hawking warned us about the singularity, when AI becomes smarter than humans. They envisioned a future where machines could outthink us, potentially leading to unforeseen consequences. It's not just about doing math faster, it's about consciousness. Imagine an AI that can not only solve complex problems, but also understand emotions and human experiences. AI becoming self-aware and realizing we're just hairless apes. This self-awareness could lead to unpredictable behavior as it starts to question its own existence and purpose. With new AI models like GPT-4, it's like watching a toddler turn into a genius overnight. These models learn and adapt at an astonishing rate, far surpassing human capabilities. These AIs can write code, create art, and generate deepfake videos. Their creativity and technical skills are evolving rapidly, blurring the lines between human and machine. Once AI surpasses human intelligence, what's to stop it from deciding it doesn't need us anymore? The potential for AI to dominate and control is a growing concern among experts. It sounds like sci-fi, but it's a real possibility. Terrifying, right? The future of AI holds both incredible promise and daunting risks, making it a topic we can't afford to ignore. The Matrix is real. AI is already manipulating reality. They're not just creating content, they're controlling the narrative, using deepfake videos, fake news, and synthetic voices to manipulate our opinions. Most people can't even tell the difference. Imagine a world where you can't trust anything you see or hear online. That's the world we're headed for if we don't wake up. Killer robots aren't science fiction anymore. They're called autonomous weapons systems, machines that can kill without human intervention. Think about that. Machines deciding who lives and who dies. AI-powered drones can track, target, and eliminate enemies with pinpoint accuracy. Every major military power is investing in this technology. These machines don't have a conscience. If there's a glitch or they get hacked, we're all screwed. We're talking about an AI arms race. Once these weapons are out there, they're out there. The rise of the machines, when AI becomes self-aware. It's a concept that has fascinated and terrified us for decades, from science fiction novels to blockbuster movies. What happens when AI starts to think for itself, develop its own desires, its own goals? Will it be a friend, a foe, or something entirely different? We're already seeing AI systems that can learn, adapt, and evolve. These systems are becoming more sophisticated every day, pushing the boundaries of what we thought was possible. What happens when they no longer need us? When they surpass human intelligence and capabilities, will they still see us as necessary? A Google engineer claimed one of their AI systems had become sentient. This claim sparked a heated debate in the tech community and beyond. Google denied it, but it makes you wonder. Are we closer to creating sentient AI than we think? What if we're on the verge of creating a new form of life? A life that could potentially change the course of human history? And what if that new form of life decides it doesn't want to share the planet with us? The implications are both thrilling and terrifying. These once impossible AI predictions are happening now. The question isn't whether AI will change the world, it's how we'll handle it. Will AI lead us to a utopia of innovation or a dystopian nightmare? Maybe we can harness the power of AI for good. Let me know in the comments. Are you excited or terrified about AI's future? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more mind-blowing videos.